Evening YouTube, got a new toy. This is my Milwaukee M12, C12 MT. When it says C12, that's an old model number. Everything now starts with an M. It's 12 volt, obviously, packs the M12 battery. That little beast. Simply click that in the back. Like so. It's 12 volt. It's an oscillating multi-tool, sometimes known as a renovator tool. Adjustable between 5,000 and 20,000 oscillations per second. OPS. Variable speed down here. Just goes from 2 to 12. But yeah, that's your speed adjustment for this little beast. Nice open frame here around the little motor that screams its head off. Simple on-off switch on top. One of the most universal blade setups, mounting setups out of anyone that I've ever picked up, especially for a cordless one. You can put ones that just fit just on the nut. You can get the ones like these that fit out here on the outer rings, and that means you can buy all kinds of accessories to run your tool with. So one of my favourite things about this is it's not at all dangerous until you go and put pressure on it. So if I was to put my finger there and then hold my finger still and put pressure on it like that, it'd cut me. But with it just with your finger free to move around, it won't actually cut you. So I bought this as a skin today. It was $99 Australian. It's quite cheap. As a skin, it came with one plunge cutting blade, and this one, Milwaukee wood plunge cut blade, and it came with a triangle sanding base, which is very similar to a lot of the triangle multi-tool and small sander bases. Even with the M12 battery, it will stand up like so on its end. Remembering, if you want longer run time, you can always put the 4 amp hour M12 in the bottom of it, but generally for what you will use this machine for, the run time it's got is more than enough. Alright, let's take it out the shed and have a play with it. It's got the fuel gauge just above, like all Milwaukee M12 gear. Great gear. Full disclosure, don't get paid to tell you this. No kickback for me, just great gear. Thanks for watching. Let's go out the shed and have a play. So let's do a bit of plunge cutting with this Milwaukee C12 MT. MT stands for multi-tool. In timber I go for that number 8. So as you can see, it's got plenty of uses and usage potential. You can also cut on funny angles and things like that. So we'll just go and cut the line right through there. Great for replicating shapes or trimming things out around like doorways, architraves, things like that. I'll show you what we're doing flat out. It's not a great deal faster, it's just a lot louder. This will actually free up a little bit with time too. They get better with a bit of time. When you first get them, they're a bit tight in the gearbox mech just because they're all new. Yeah, they do free up a bit. Let's try some plastic. Right, so just got this plastic container. It's about 2.5mm thick, I suppose. So if you're cutting out to put a stereo in a dashboard or similar kind of instance, or cutting out gauges or whatever, like that's the Milwaukee wood plunge cut blade. It's probably not even designed for plastic, obviously, but it does a damn good job for what it is. When you want to plunge cut like a square out, you can do that, and it will be reasonably neat, but it's just really, really friggin' noisy. You can use it to shave along something if you had to just make it fit a bit better. So you can definitely use it for shaping kind of work as well. Very, very versatile tool, hence why they call it a multi-tool. It's got a sanding attachment as well, but it's pretty obvious what that does. Just a good little oscillating sander. Don't know what else to show you. That's probably about it. Thanks heaps for watching. It's a Milwaukee C12 MT. MT is for multi-tool. Takes the 1.5, the 1.5, the 2, the 3 and the 4 amp hour m12 range. Lots of different multi-fit chopping heads. And yeah, I reckon they're a great thing. You probably enjoy owning one. Bit of stuffing around on and off camera, and we've only dropped one light on a 1.5 amp hour. So you get plenty of runtime out of them. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.